Hello guys, in this video we'll see an example for the if statement in Python. So let us consider checking the value of the number is greater than 0 or not. We're going to check whether the number is positive or not here. Okay, so for that purpose I'll take the number as input, which is an integer value. So int of input of enter any value. Okay, so now I'll check this value is greater than 0 or not. Okay, suppose if the value is greater than 0, then I can directly print here given number is positive. Okay, like this. Now if I run this code, it is going to ask me to enter any value. Let us suppose I am entering value as 10. Now this will show you the result. Given number is positive because first it will store 10 inside the variable called num. Now 10 is greater than 0, condition will become true and the associated statement will be executed. Okay, so what happens if you want to check whether the number is negative or not also? In that case you can add one more if statement here. So how we can do this is by writing if num is less than 0, then you can print given number is negative. Given number is negative. Okay, like this. So let's run here. Enter any value. This time I will enter value as -8. Now I'll get the result as given number is negative. And let us suppose if I want to give the input as 0, then this is not going to print anything. Okay, because condition will become false for 0 here and also here. So in such case you can also write another if statement. If num double equal to 0, in that case you can print given number is 0. Okay, so let's run this code and enter 0 this time. You'll get result as given number is 0. Now if I enter any positive value like 9, I'll get result as given number is positive. For example, if I give input as -77, I'll get the result as given number is negative. Like this, using if statement also, if you want to write more and more conditions, you can do it by adding more and more if constructs. Okay, so this is how you can make use of if statement.